I'm Fathima Dilna. I'm a Python developer. In the last video, we wrote our first code. So today we are gonna learn how Python code get executed. For this, I'm gonna write some print function. After that, I will show you how Python get executed. I'm gonna write 4 print functions. Now let's run this program. Now you can see the output. First line it prints hello, which we wrote in the first line. Second line it prints hi, that also we wrote in the second line. Now look at the third and fourth line and also look at our code. So now we can understand that Python code get executed line by line, which means it first execute the first line, then execute the second line, and so on.